Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR and zip files using app called Rar on Motorola Moto G82. So in order to do this we'll need to download the Rar app, and we've shown you how to do that in our other video. Now let's move to the folder that contains our Rar file, and mine is located in PCIM, then camera. Here's the pictures that were. Now if you want to unpack entire everything very quickly, simply click on this and click on the arrow pointing up button. That way you'll be able to unpack it instantly, all the files inside. The other option is to click on the Rar file. Here it's protected by a password, so I need to enter one. Click OK, and now we have access to the files that are inside this Rar file. Now we can select each file that we want to unpack. So if you want to unpack one, simply select one and press on this arrow again. If you want to unpack everything, don't select any, and now select this arrow pointing up, and that way you'll be also able to unpack it. Now change the extraction options. First and most important is to press on the browse. That way you'll be able to pick a folder on where the files will unpack, and I want them to be in the movies. Click OK. Here you can change the settings for unpacking, like ask before overwrite without prompt, or skip existing files. You can also enable or disable to keep broken files, do not extract paths, or display extracted files. After everything is set, we can click on OK. And that way we've just unpacked 3 pictures into the movies folder. Now let's just move there, and here's the 3 pictures. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.